Do you ever open up your trash can and think there has got to be a better way to reduce all this waste? With a big family, I totally get it. Food scraps pile up fast. That's why today we're unboxing something that will totally change how we handle food waste at home, and it's called the Mill Food Recycler. I'll show you what it looks like out of the box, how to set it up, and then we'll start adding some food scraps. Hello, I'm Nicole Bonilla, and I share healthier recipes for our favorite foods at gentletummy.com. Now, I have a large family of 6 children, and we love fresh ingredients, and we go through a lot of them. What drew me to the Mill Recycler is that it can turn all of that waste into something useful, and without the need for a big compost bin in our backyard, which is perfect for suburban or city life. And then the recycled food can be shipped back to Mill to use as livestock feed. And I'm really lucky to have a local farm called R.City, which gave me this green bucket, which is part of a monthly subscription. I'll simply fill up the bucket, leave it out on my doorstep, and then they will pick it up every month. And they will replace it with a box of fresh produce either weekly or monthly. I would consider myself a wannabe gardener, so I think this is really going to be the best option for my family. And I love that it's helping my family establish good habits for minimizing our environmental footprint. So let's go ahead and open this box. I'll just pull the plastic off the top. Ooh, that's so sleek. All right, so we just have to download the app to set up our bin, use our phone to scan the code, and I've got this real nice little instruction booklet. Ooh, and a really nice magnet showing us what it is okay to add and what is not okay to add. Go ahead and plug it in. Ooh, we got some shiny lights on top. This kind of reminds me of the Eve robot that's on WALL-E in the movie. That is so cool. So first we have to pull off this back panel. Pull out this drawer to remove the seals before use. Pull out the drawer, and flip it over and peel off the other seal. Snaps right back in place. So we can double press the button to manually start and stop. We have a lock icon, a heat icon. Wow, that is a heavy bin. Lower the little protective ring, and it's ready to fill. Now, I honestly never thought I'd be connecting my phone to a trash can, but this is certainly no ordinary can, and I'm really looking forward to how this is going to impact our family by reducing our food waste. And I can't wait to fill up this bucket with our recycled food to be able to set it out for RCity to come pick up and then be able to get fresh produce in return. Now, if you would like to check out the Mill and how it could reduce food waste in your kitchen, just click on the link that's in the video description below, and that will take you to their website where you can find out all the details. And I'll be sure to make another video in a few months letting you know how this has worked out for us and our family. Now, if you'd like to have some healthy inspiration to our favorite foods, I invite you to check out my YouTube channel with all my videos. And you can go to my website, gentletummy.com. And all my recipes use tons of produce, so they'll help you fill up your meal in no time.